All right, so now we have potatoes here in a nice row that are about 40 to 50 days old. They are flowering. You can see here that some are in the process. They've already been pollinated. Some here have been successful, and so the flowers have wilted. This is a great time here where you really want to focus on making sure that you are creating nice little mounds of dirt to make sure that the potatoes are never being exposed to the sun. That'll cause green potatoes. Just want to make sure every so often that you're kind of, I mean, I can see here, we have a little guy here that needs some extra dirt on top of them. So make sure you might need to add some extra soil to your rows. This is also a great time though when they're flowering that you can sneak off some of those baby potatoes before they get full size. So you can pull them now while they're flowering and you'll get smaller potatoes, or you can wait until they're fully matured, which is when the plant essentially looks like it's dead, and you can dig it up and you'll have massive potatoes. So let's see here if we can sneak off some potatoes by digging here gently. I kind of use just like a gentle motion to slowly brush the dirt away and see if I can maybe find some baby potatoes for, hey, okay, I found one. So I have a little baby potato here, which I can get. I did find some other ones earlier, which is just a nice little something here for dinner tonight. I want to make sure to mound up dirt to the one that I took from and move my way on down the line, maybe taking a potato here and there and making sure that I'm making that the dirt is nice and tall on top of here. It's okay if you cover up some of the leaves as long as that bottom part is nice and full. And that is potatoes during flowering.